The Abia State Government has reaffirmed its commitment to strengthening and expanding the state's social register to better capture vulnerable households and boost access to social protection programs. At the EU SUSI Engagement on Social Protection in Umuahia, stakeholders in partnership with Unicef and the European Union deliberated on scaling up the register, which currently covers more than 180 communities. Our correspondent, Mesomachi Ugeli, reports.
Speaking with journalists, State Commissioner for Budget and Planning, Kingsley Anosike, explained that the social register has already been used in some intervention programs embarked upon by the present administration.
Deliberate intervention by any government or institution is to mine data from an established source. So that is the purpose of this register. This register has been used so far in most of the interventions that the state, social interventions that the state organize. The NG Cares program mine their data from the state social register. And then when you are looking to target people of certain categories, you have over 184 variables or in the social register.
On her part, the Commissioner for Poverty Alleviation and Social Protection, Mrs. Blessing Ngozi Felix, said efforts are ongoing to expand the register in order to reach more vulnerable groups.
And we have been working to ensure that this register is updated and expanded. In 2023, we tried to expand the register using the state resources. And of course, we could not do this on our own without working, with the agency at the federal level that is responsible for validating whatever information that we collate. We have tried on our own to carry out certain interventions, and we have done it manually by trying to identify, vulnerable people.
Also speaking, UNICEF consultant from the Economic Policy Research Institute, Cape Town, South Africa, Noid Hijgreft, noted that they are working with Abia State to review both the National Protection Policy and the National Social Registry as part of broader support to strengthen social protection systems.
So we are currently here in Abia State to work on a UNICEF-implemented EU-funded program where we are supporting the state government with the review of the National Social Protection Policy, which has been in place since 2023, as well as the National Social Registry, which has been in place since 2017. We're doing this program in 4 states, in Abia, in Benue, in Sokoto, and in Oyo State. And we're also, of course, doing things at the federal level. Yes, real-time data is a challenge. So I can imagine that a lot of data was collected 3-4 years ago. But I must say that's a challenge not only in Nigeria, that's a challenge in any country.
In his remarks, UNICEF Social Policy Officer in Enugu State, Victor Chima, said the engagement was part of the European Union-funded SUSI program, with Abia as one of the benefiting states.
Well, we are having the European Union-funded Strengthening Social Protection Systems project, which Abia State is one of the states it is being implemented in. UNICEF is providing technical support alongside other partners such as International Labour Organization to ensure that the social protection system for Abia State is strengthened, the social register is expanded, and also the policy is adequately funded and implemented.
The engagement brought together key stakeholders in the sector aimed at enhancing social safety nets and ensuring inclusive development in the state. Reporting for Rapid TV Umuahia, Mesomachi Ugeli.